Welcome back. Panji police have arrested 5 CCP workers for restraining CCP officers from performing their duties. Tussle between CCP workers and CCP officials is on since Wednesday. CCP Commissioner in his complaint to Panji police has alleged that accused workers, instead of reporting to municipal office, restrained CCP workers from carrying out their duties. On the other side, workers are accusing CCP officials of misbehavior.
Panji police on Friday arrested 5 workers of Corporation of the City of Panji for restraining CCP officers from performing their duties. Police booked Ramakant Rosario, Sunil Talwar, Hanuman Talwar, Pundalik Pujari and Uday Ambekar for restraining CCP officers from carrying out their duties. CCP Commissioner Sanjeev Rodriguez in his complaint to Panji police have alleged that accused workers, instead of performing their duties, created ruckus at CCP office and abused engineers, supervisors, commissioner and mayor. Accused workers will be produced before the court on Saturday. Reporter Mukesh Kumar with video journalist Devendra Gaonkar for Prudent.
Goa government has decided to set up garbage plants in Ponda and Bicholi. These plants will produce energy out of plastic. Plasma technology will be used in Ponda garbage plant, which will generate fuel. Garbage treatment plant in Bicholi will work on American technology. It will produce power from the waste plastic. Urban Development Minister Francis D'Souza informed media that the centre has sanctioned grants worth 19.13 crore rupees for capacity building of the municipalities.
अनेक फंडासून अनेक टेक्नॉलॉजी आहे प्लाज्मा टेक्नॉलॉजी म्हणून 10 टन पासून म्हणटा ते आमी मिक्स गार्बेज अनसेग्रिगेटेड गार्बेज वी ट्रीट एंड कन्वर्टेड इनटू एनर्जी फक्त सरकारान एनर्जी घेवपाचो प्रपोजल these 2 plants will serve only about say average of 100 tons each 200 tons गोंयान एक 500 टनाची कॅपॅसिटी जी आमकां सुविधा करपाक जाय you have to look out for about 500 tons facilities. I mean, waste to fuel ek tender kerla. Waste to fuel. This is all for plastic garbage. Plastic garbage pe yaar. There's a fuel karpak for the reverse. 0.13 crores sanction kela. 19.13. Ministry of Urban Development has sanctioned 19.13 crores for 4 years. 4 वर्षांनंतर इतके पैसे दिले. Sanction केले. Socio-economic and caste census Allah 2011. Socio-economic and caste census highlights census जाल्यापरान हे आता ऑब्जेक्शन आहे आता लोकांनी आपल्या कास्टा बद्दल आपल्या सोशिओ-इकॉनॉमिक स्टेटसा बद्दल ऑब्जेक्शन घालपाक जाय कितें चुकलां दुरुस्ती करपाक जाय जाल्यार हेजेर आता एका म्हयन्याचो टायम about 45 days time period सगळे पंचायतींनी माहिती दवरलेली
Anti-Corruption Bureau has registered a case of fraud amounting to 2.57 crores against former Executive Engineer Anant Bhagwat, former Divisional Accountant Tulsidas Narvekar and Gujrat-based company Ketan Construction. They allegedly released bank guarantee of 2.57 crores under mutual conspiracy without completion of the Tilari irrigation project construction work. Gujarat-based company Ketan Constructions was awarded tender of total 3.84 crore rupees for the construction work of conduit for 8.45 kilometers land connecting to the main canal of Tilari irrigation project. The stipulated date of completion of work was April 2008. The time limit was then extended to May 2009 due to non-completion of the work. But accused Anant Bhagwat and Tulsidas Narvekar hatched a criminal conspiracy in association with construction company. Bank guarantee of 2.57 crore rupees was illegally released without completion of work. Presently, accused Anant Bhagwat is working as surveyor of works in WRD and Tulsidas Narvekar is with the Directorate of Accounts. ACB has booked them under various sections of Prevention of Corruption Act. The probe is on. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.